Yo, what's up guys? Welcome back to the channel, and today I'm going to show you how to update an employee's pay rates or salary in Gusto. Raises, promotions, or pay adjustments, whatever the reason, updating an employee's compensation in Gusto is quick and painless. Let's walk through how to do it the right way. Step 1, head to the People tab. From your Gusto dashboard, you want to click on People to see a list of all of your active employees. Step 2, select the employee. So click on the name of the employee whose pay rate or salary you need to update. This is going to open up their profile. Step 3, go to the job and pay section. Now inside the employee's profile, you want to find and click on the job and pay tab. This section holds all of their current job titles, departments, and compensation information. Step 4, click Edit next to Compensation. Now next to their current pay details, you're going to see an Edit button. So click that to bring up the pay adjustment form. Step 5, enter the new pay rate or salary. Now you will now be able to change hourly rates for hourly employees, as well as update annual salaries for salaried employees. You can also set the effective date of the new pay, and this can be today or a future date, but of course it can be in the past. Now make sure everything looks correct, especially if this change should reflect in the next payroll. Step 6, save changes. Now once you've double checked the new rates and start date, you want to hit save. Gusto will automatically update their pay going forward and reflect it in the upcoming payroll runs. If you want, you can also add a note about why the pay has changed for your own personal record. And that's it. No spreadsheet, no awkward recalculation, just a few clicks and your employee pay is up to date. Thank you guys for watching, and I hope you guys found the video useful enough. If you did, like the video, comment down below, let me know what you thought, share the video with your friends, and subscribe to the channel if you haven't done so already, and I'll see you guys in the next one.